Pre-drilling holes for a new toilet flange prevents wood splitting and ensures a rock-solid, long-lasting attachment. When replacing a flange, start by aligning the new flange so its bolt slots match the drain and the existing screw locations. Mark the pilot hole positions through the new flange into the old flange or directly into the subfloor using a pencil while holding the flange firmly in place. Choose a drill bit slightly smaller than the screw shank when working with wood to create a pilot hole that guides the screw and prevents the wood from cracking. For metal or cast iron beneath, use a bit rated for metal and drill fully through so the screw can bite without deforming the flange. If the subfloor is particle board, consider using longer screws that reach the structural joist beneath. Use corrosion-resistant screws such as stainless steel or coated exterior-grade fasteners long enough to penetrate at least 3/4 of an inch into the substrate to resist moisture and movement. Once screwed down, check that the flange sits level with the finished floor and does not wobble before placing the wax ring or sealing ring. Common mistakes include driving screws without pilot holes, which splits plywood or chipboard and loosens over time, so always pre-drill with an appropriately sized bit before fastening. Another issue is using plain or short screws that corrode or pull out. Remedy that by selecting corrosion-resistant screws of sufficient length and by angling them into stronger framing when possible. A third frequent problem is not confirming flange level and immobility before installing the seal, which leads to leaks and seat instability. If you find any movement, remove the screws, reposition or shim the flange, then refasten and recheck until it is firmly anchored. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors suited to plumbing and flooring work and helps contractors find new project leads. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share real-world tips, installation tricks, and product recommendations.